If you're experiencing login failures on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into your device smoothly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to the settings menu and verify that Wi-Fi is enabled and connected to your network. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double-check your Steam account username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not accidentally enabled. Step 3. Reset your password. If you're still unable to log in, consider resetting your password. Use the Forgot Password option on the Steam login page and follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Step 4. Update Steam Deck software. Ensure that your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to the settings, check for updates, and install any available updates to improve system performance and security. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Steam support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they will guide you through further troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on the Steam Deck. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support services.